home is your castle. It's where you feel most complete. Whether it's filled with kids, dogs, babies, parents, VTech knows that consumers want to know that their home and everything in it is safe and sound. VTech wireless monitoring system products are designed to offer consumers peace of mind with affordable home monitoring technology that's easy to use, easy to install, and easy to customize for the modern homeowners like this family of 4. And stick around because one of these homeowners is about to get the surprise of a lifetime.
I'm Sara Blain.
I'm Bobby Schuh.
And these are our beautiful girls, Sienna and Milan.
Welcome to our house. I can put girls at the top. Okay.
So when Bobby and I first met, we met in college. And it was not the right timing, and 15 years later, we re-met, and now we're living our happily ever after.
It's worked out for the most part.
Yeah, it was like the perfect fit.
Little Insta family.
Yeah.
It's been, what, 2 years now? And it's funny because every couple weeks they ask me, like, when are you gonna marry mama? And I'm like, oh, it's coming.
But with their busy work life, Bobby is a chiropractor building a new practice.
When I'm not in the office, I'm out trying to meet people and get people into the office.
And Sara is an entrepreneur who had her business featured on Shark Tank, leaving these two no time for next steps.
Shark Tank definitely took my business and myself to the next level. The business has tremendously grown and a lot of opportunities have come to it, and now I've started a couple new businesses because of it. And with the airing of Shark Tank, I'm so much busier now that it would be great to be able to see what the girls are doing now that I'm spending so much more time at work. Oh, I miss them. I wonder what they're doing at home.
And that's where VTech's high-definition cameras come in as we turn this home into a smart home.
We have a VTech BC931, which is a Wi-Fi camera. It's remote accessible. You can install an app on your smartphone, and then you can see that whether you're in the backyard, down the street, in another country. So you can always keep in touch and see what's going on in your home.
To be able to know that the girls are okay, so I don't have to feel guilty being at work. So just to be able to check in on them when they're with their nanny would be such a relief to me.
And let's not forget about this little guy.
We have a 14-year-old dachshund, Luca. So now as he's getting older, we have to keep a little bit of an extra eye on him. There is a peacock that lives in the neighborhood that likes to attack him. So we like to make sure he's okay. It's a little concerning.
What do I need those for?
When you're in your playroom playing and mom's making dinner, she can just talk to you through the camera, and you can talk back to her and you can communicate that way. She can let you know it's time for dinner.
Okay. Like, how do they connect to your phone and work?
Okay, so we'll put them on the Wi-Fi network, and then they will connect to your mom's phone so that she can open her phone and look and see what's going on in the room.
You're good.
What are some of the areas of your home that you'd like to have covered?
Definitely the playroom, I think would be great, and the living room where we can have one that kind of goes so we know if somebody is coming in or out of the back door.
Yep, definitely towards the pool. Want to make sure that they're not going out when they're not supposed to.
Okay, what about maybe the front door area as well? Or
Yes, somewhere by the front door.
With its tilt and zoom feature, the front door is a perfect spot. When motion is detected, the app will send you push notifications, letting you know activity is happening day or night. And the best part is you can move the cameras at any time to a new location.
I was pretty surprised of how clear it was and the detail in it. And how quickly when you tracked it, there was no delay in the speed of tracking.
Right, and I love that it has night vision, and I love that you can scan a room. That's a really good feature. Yeah, I guess we loved everything about it.
We put the app to the test by sending Sara to work to check in on her girls from the office.
You guys having a fun day?
We're playing in the playroom. And no, we're getting ready for here.
And it also gave us a perfect excuse to get her out of the house for the big surprise. Okay, Bobby.
Yes.
So you haven't yet proposed,
I haven't.
but you told me that you actually would like to do it right here, right now.
Of course, yes, I would.
Do you think she's gonna have any idea?
No, I think she'd be shocked.
You got the ring?
I got the ring.
It's almost time.
Oh, I don't know if I should kiss you or kiss them.
You know how much I love you, Sienna, Milan, and our little family. Every day is better and better with you guys in my life. And so, I want to ask you, will you marry me? Always and forever.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Do you guys say yes? Or do you guys say yes? Trying not to cry, because I didn't want these two to start crying. But it's fine.
I didn't want to cry.
Because they are easily movable to different rooms and areas, VTech cameras capture the entire proposal. And the record feature allows you to capture and keep videos to keep or send out to friends and family members.
And now we can send it to our parents.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna send it. They're gonna freak out.
They're gonna love it.
Yeah.
For more information on VTech wireless monitoring systems, visit vtechphones.com.